Hello, Weichen.
Hi, Mikai.
So nice to meet you and see you in your lab environments. I think you're there somewhere. Yes.
Near the optical table.
Okay, yes. This is being built up. So it is very nice because you are the first PhD student and the first recruitment in the SiComb project. And it's now 1 year ago, almost exactly, I think.
Yes.
Yes. So you're located at Denmark Technical University.
Yeah.
Where Hayano is the coordinator and having these activities. And you're of course doing much of the work in the lab. So
Yeah.
it's very nice to meet you and update. So let me ask, were you in Denmark before you started this project, or because you're originally from China?
Yeah, I'm from China and I obtained my master's degree in China. I arrived in Denmark when this project started.
Okay, yes. So it's a nice Scandinavian environment.
Yes, it is.
Yes. Can you just briefly update what are you doing in the SiComb project?
Okay. So in this project, I need to first design the siliconcarbide devices. It's important because we need a suitable structure to generate the frequency comb. And after the design, I will characterize those devices to select the one with better performance. Then I will generate the frequency comb. And we also have collaborator to demonstrate the applications. So after the generation of frequency comb, I need to stabilize it and deliver it to our collaborators.
I think this is quite a central point because you are in the device part, but you need to understand the material issues because this is new growth and all those things.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, and then still try to link that with some performance towards more systems. So this is a very delicate situation for a new project, which is revolutionary new.
Yes, and I need to, communication with the material growers and also the people in the applications.
Yes, so it's a very nice experience, I think. Yeah. And now the SiComb project, this is a European project. So now when you come to Europe and being part of a European project for a revolutionary technology and so on, so do you have any reflection from your first year of activity in a consortium? How do you find this EU activity?
Okay, so
like here you have now collaboration with Germany.
Yes.
And then you have other countries, and this is basically a network for European. Yes. So this is not just like national activity and collaboration within the group. So this is the first step towards internationals, I think. This is a good experience.
Yeah, and I think it can, combine the advantages of different collaborators. For example, our competence is fabrication and also in frequency comb, and some collaborators, they are good at growing materials. So I think this network can combine the advantages of all the collaborators and together to make the silicon carbide photonics step forward.
Yes, and I also know because I have participated in several projects. When you have this activity, then you get to know some people, and then few years are passing. Then you come back, sometimes collaborate in new ways. So it's more also personal network building.
Yeah, see, exactly.
So that's one of the advantages of European projects.
Mhm.
Okay, so let me just now go towards the future and just ask you, now you're a PhD student and you have
Yes.
done your first year,
Mhm.
and then it's 2 more years before you have your PhD defense.
Yeah.
Have you, it's early now, I understand. Have you been thinking about what is happening next, or what do you want to do after the project, or is it the early stage, or have you started to think about this yet?
Yes, I've already thought about it. So after graduation, I hope to continue doing research in some universities or some institutes, because I think research is quite fascinating. It's about challenging and about unknown things.
Yes, I agree with that, and especially when it comes to new approaches which have not done before, then there are so many interesting things to find out, and we get surprises, sometimes nice surprises and sometimes not so nice.
But that's research itself.
Yes, but they also in this type of research from advanced materials, possibly 10, 20 years later, if it works or something of this works, it can be like a key enabling technology. So that for me is personally also motivating, that it could be something useful even if it's research stage now.
I agree with you.
Yes. Great, this is fine. So I'm very happy to see you up and running and being in the project, and we will update maybe closer to defense what has been happening and what our plans. So for now, I would like to thank you for this short informal discussion to exchange and update what is happening.
Thank you.
Yes. So see you at the next project meeting.
See you.